unified WBA and WBO flyweight champion. How does that sound?
I love it. I love it.
You know, 2 years ago, Viloria was given up for dead. After that loss against Carlos Tamara, parang lahat okay, siguro tapos na yung career ni Brian. But now, he's actually in the top of the food chain in the flyweight division. Paano nangyari to? How did he turn this around? Paano umangat ulit yung career ni Brian Viloria?
Sa tingin ko, parang sabi ni Brian mismo sa isang interview before the fight, lifestyle change. No? Nag-asawa siya, tapos tumigil na siya sa pagpa-party, tumigil na siya sa inom ng alcohol, tapos natuto na siyang mag-jogging.
Dati hindi siya nag-jogging.
According to reports, noon, Brian was treadmill. Treadmill guy. Pag gusto niyang mag-cardio, treadmill lang kasi mainit, iyo siya, iyo. Parang hindi namin ginagawa sa Hindi namin ginagawa sa Olympic training. Kami, mga superstars kami. So, yun, nung naramdaman niya yun, nung packet siya sa professional ranks, parang ganon ang treatment niya sa sarili niya. Tapos yun nga, mga inom-inom, mga party-party. Nung nagkaroon siya ng lifestyle change, ito na, tinalo na niya yung Miranda, tinalo na niya yung Segura, and then now, itong Hernan Tyson Marquez. So, sa tingin ko yun.
How different was his boxing nung Tamara kumpara mo dun sa pinakita niya against Marquez?
Ang layo eh. Kahit kami kahapon, we couldn't help but go back to the Tamara fight and all the other fights. Yeah. Kasi, if you ask me, yung time frame between those fights and this last victory, maikli lang eh, kung isipin mo eh. But the changes in the style of Viloria, in the demeanor of Viloria, yung effectivity niya in the ring was totally different. I think he did a couple of things right eh. Number one, he used his reach advantage to the maximum. Alam niya eh, that you can control the tempo of the fight using that advantage eh. And number two, I don't think anyone would ever question his heart again. After that 5th round, after that 10th round, don't you even dare go there. Ako na mga kalaban mo, di ba? No one would dare question his heart anymore. Ang ganda ng pinakita niya doon.
Attorney, how big was that first round knockdown for Viloria in the fight?
Sa tingin ko, element of surprise. Dahil nasurpresa lahat. Everybody was surprised. Why?
Magkayakap daw kayong tumatalon ni Mark doon habang nanonood.
Everybody was surprised. Not only in the first round, but the whole of the first half of the fight. If you watch the fight again, first 6 rounds, Brian Viloria was the one stalking Marquez.
Yep.
And Mexican fighters don't like being stalked. They like being the stalker. They like being they want the opponents to be intimidated by their power, and they'll be content with being outboxed early, and then they'll slowly pin the guy down. Dito, sa laban na yun, napansin ko, it was not the fight that everybody was expecting. Everybody was expecting na reach advantage, Olympic background, more skilled but less power. He should like box a little bit, and then nagulat si Tyson Marquez. At lahat nagulat. Sa tingin ko, yung surprise na yun, bagsak sa first round, sa tingin ko yun, element of surprise, that did a trick for Brian Viloria.
Nasabi mo na rin yung 5th round. Were you at any point worried that Brian Viloria was going to get knocked out in that 5th round? Kasi tinamaan siya ng solid eh.
I was.
You were.
Nung nakita kong na-pin siya dun sa ropes and he was getting pummeled, bumalik na naman sa akin yung worries ko nung mga last few fights niya noon na wala pa siya sa tamang kondisyon eh. So, with all those images and with all those thoughts of how he was before, flooding back into my system, syempre naisip ko, nako, wag naman. Yung kapit ko nga dito eh, parang siguro naigpitan niya ito sa kapit ko sa kanya eh. Kasi nung nakita ko yun, sabi ko, nako, baka may bagsak. Sabi ko ganun. But when I saw his face, nung puman yung camera sa mukha ni Viloria against the ropes, and I could see a serious look on his face, pero hindi takot at hindi nasaktan, I knew that he was trying to bait I knew what he was trying to do. He was trying to make Marquez out-punch himself. Yun na nga nangyari.
Yun nga.
Bumuka, boom. Tapos, diba?
Punch himself out, napagod, 1-2, bagsak ulit si... And then in the 8th and 9th round, ako, personally, yun pa lang yung binigay kong rounds ata kay Marquez. So, ako, parang, teka, napapagod ba ulit si Brian? Tinatamaan na siya, tapos sumusugod na si Marquez. Did you worry about his conditioning at that point?
At the time, alam mo, palagi tayong worried.
Ganyan tayo no?
If it's Brian Viloria fighting, we're always worried about the championship rounds, 8-9. But, yun nga at that point, doon pa lang lumalabas yung in-expect natin na he would outbox, try to outbox Hernan, and that was the game plan na hinahabol ng Hernan. Although we didn't know that yung Viloria at the time was trying to time his punches. He knew that the body punches at the time, 8th round and 9th round, yung investment niya from rounds 1 to 7 on the body punches, not only on the knockdowns, but on the body punches, he knew that it took its toll to, in his mind, hindi natin nababasa yung utak ng fighter. Pero sa tingin ko, in his mind, he was trying to bait Hernan Marquez at that point na, sige, adjust ulit tayo. He was like a grandmaster in that fight. It was a chess match sa start and he was like a grandmaster. Pagdating ng second half, binago na naman yung style niya, nag-adjust na naman siya. He went back to yung expected ng tao, and Hernan was very, sa tingin ko, he was excited to see that. Even Robert was very excited. I think during the 9th to 10th round, yung rest period, pinakita yung corner, Robert was saying all these Mexican Spanish terms ng encouragement kay Hernan Tyson Marquez na ito na, no? Ano mo na, talunin mo na, pagod na yan, wala na yan. That was it. He was baited into that trap of Brian Viloria na yung body punches nandun na, bumagsak na siya ng 2 beses. Sa tingin ko, hindi lang natin nabasa yung utak. Ako personally, hindi ko nababasa yung utak ng fighter. So, I was worried, but Brian was not.
Tapos nung worried na tayo lahat, nung akala nila Marquez at saka ni Garcia na nanalo na sila, left hook. It's over.
Yeah.
So, congratulations, Brian. Unified WBA and WBO.
A lot more to come.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.